If you own a lifestyle camper trailer, you know how important it is to ensure your trailer is ready for the next exciting journey. To make sure every trip is full of comfort and relaxation, it's essential to properly prepare your trailer for the season ahead. Today, we'll share you with the best tips to get your trailer ready, from a thorough cleaning to checking the water and gas system. Let's get your trailer adventure ready. Step 1. Clean the interior for a fresh start. Start with the basics. Cleaning. Use a vacuum cleaner and specialized cleaning products for the furniture and surfaces. Don't forget those hard-to-reach places. Dust and debris can be easily removed with a brush or a damp cloth. For the control panels, use a soft microfiber cloth to gently remove any dust and dirt, ensuring no damage to sensitive surfaces. Step 2. Disinfection for a healthy environment. Once you've cleaned, it's time to disinfect. Wipe down all surfaces with a disinfectant to prevent mold and bacteria buildup, especially in high moisture areas, like the kitchen. Don't forget to check the refrigerator for a clean list too. Freshness is the key. Step 3. Exterior care to keep your trailer shiny. For the exterior, a clean trailer is a happy trailer. Wash the body thoroughly to remove dirt, sap, and other residues. We recommend using a sponge with automatic cleaning detergent and a high-pressure contactless washer for the best results. It's also important to inspect and treat the rubber seals on windows and doors with a silicone-based product to keep moisture out. Step 4. Gas system check for safety and reliability. Ensure your gas system is ready for your adventures. Connect the filled gas cylinder as per the user manual and check the gas hose for a secure, airtight connection. Test the gas supply by turning on the stovetop burner. Remember to also check your battery to ensure everything is working smoothly. Step 5. Water system inspection for comfort. Make sure the wastewater tank is empty. Use chemical cleaners if necessary to remove any unpleasant odors. Clean and disinfect the freshwater tank at least once every 3-6 months using special disinfectants. Rinse thoroughly this clean water before refilling this fresh potable water. If your trailer has a shower, check the hose, shower head, and quick connect outlet regularly. Keep them free from dirt and sand for optimal performance. Sink usage. Water used for hand washing or dishwashing can be drained into the trailer's sink. However, avoid disposing of grease, chemicals, oil, or other environmentally harmful liquids. Use biodegradable detergents, as chemical ones can damage the environment, especially if drained directly onto the ground. Water heating is essential for comfort, particularly in colder regions. To check the system, fill the tank and turn on the heater. After a few minutes, the water should be warm. Storage precaution. Avoid leaving water in the tanks for extended periods, especially when storing the trailer. Stagnant water can lead to bacteria and algae growth. Step 6. Climate control and ventilation for year-round comfort. With lifestyle camper trailers, you can enjoy the perfect climate no matter the season. Ensure your roof, vent fan, air conditioning, and autonomous diesel heater are working properly. For systems like the Basto, make sure the diesel fuel tank is filled for optimal heating. Step 7. Battery maintenance for a reliable journey. Lastly, check the battery. Ensure the terminals are clean and the connections are secure. Use a digital indicator or a mobile app to check the charge level and make sure your trailer is ready to roll. If the battery needs charging, use only compatible charging devices. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure your lifestyle camper trailer stays in top condition and is always ready for your next adventure. Travel with confidence, knowing your trailer is perfectly prepared.